Hi guys, this is a review for quiz 9 for Math 163. The first problem is a percentile problem, and I think I give you a picture of a number line and there's x's above the numbers. So basically what you want to do is write those numbers out. Like there's 3 x's above the 1, so you write down 1 3 times. There's 2 x's above the 2, so there's 2 2s. There's 3 x's above the 3, so there's 3 3s. So you just do that for all of them. If you count the number of x's, there's 24. So there's 24 data values. So we want to find something called percentile. Percentile 25, percentile 50, percentile 75. And basically percentiles are just, like I think of it when I used to take my kids to the pediatrician. They used to tell me what percentile my son was for height. When he was little, he was really small. So they used to tell me, oh man, he's small, Jane, he's in the 5th percentile. And what that meant was, of all the kids out there, only 5% were shorter than him and 95% were taller than him. He's not little anymore. But so that's how you interpret that. So if you say 50th percentile, that means 50% less, 50% greater. You're right in the middle. You're the median, right? If 75th percentile will be 75% of the kids are shorter, 25% are taller. That's how you interpret percentiles. So here's our data. There's 24 of them. So the first thing we want, the easiest thing to do is find P50, which is the same as the median first. So you want to find the number that's right in the middle. So there's 24, so I'm going to count over 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's an even number, so there's 12 to the left, 12 to the right. So what's right between 4 and 5? 4.5. That's your P50. That's your median, guys. Okay? Now I want us to find P25, and the way you find P25 is to take the halfway number between the left side here. So there's 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count over 6. And you're between 3 and 3, so it's just a 3. So that's your P25. Also known as Q1, the first quartile. So think of it as a quarter, you guys. Q1 is equal to 25 cents. That's P25. So you might see quartiles listed too. Okay, the last thing they want us to find is P75. So you got to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So I think that's right in the, between a 6 and a 6 is a 6. That's a P75, and that's known as Q3, which is the third quartile. Think of 75 cents, 3/4. Okay, so that's all you have to do for the first one. The second one is a probability problem. Okay, they talk about marbles in a bag. Well, so I got marbles. So bag 1 has 6 red, 8 black. And bag 2 has, these are just examples, you have different numbers, 4 red and 6 black. Which bag is more likely to get a red? If you reached in and picked out, more likely pick a red. If you reached in and picked out a marble. Okay, so how about bag 1, you guys? What's the probability of a red? Well, how many marbles are you picking from? 6 red, 8 black. There's 14 marbles. How many of them are red? 6 out of 14. Not 6 out of 8, right? 6 out of 14, which is 0.42. How about for bag 2? I'll write it over here, you guys. Oh, God. Okay, probability of red. It's 4 out of what? 4 out of 10. So that's 0.4. So which one are you more likely to pick a red? Bag 1, you're a little bit higher. You're at 0.42 versus 0.4. All right, so that's how you would do the second problem. Third problem, I tell you to do a tree to figure out how many possibilities there are. I don't know what's on the quiz, but in this example, I used a pizza. Yay, we're all hungry, right? So I tell you to draw a tree, and I'm going to do pizza. Okay, so my pizza crust, it can be white or wheat. Sauce, it can be red or white. I don't know what it is. Alfredo, I don't know what it is. Okay, then cheese. It can be mozzarella, cheddar, on a pizza, or no cheese. I know there's strange people out there that don't put cheese on their pizza. So these are your, I want to know how many different possibilities there are. And I want you to show that with a tree. So how would I do that? Well, I'd start with the crust. So I can go white or wheat, right? And then off of each crust, I can do red sauce, white sauce, red sauce, white sauce. And then off of each sauce, I can go mozzarella, cheddar, none. Mozzarella, cheddar, none. And I have to do the same thing here. MCN, MCN. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 possibilities. What's one possibility? White crust with red sauce with mozzarella. Another possibility is white crust with red sauce with cheddar. Right? There's 12. What's the easiest way to figure out how many there are? If without a tree, you can say how many types of crust are there? There's 2. How many types of sauce are there? There's 2. How many types of cheese are there? There's 3. What's 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. You get the same thing. But I wanted you to show me a tree. Okay? So I think that's it for that quiz. One more to go next week. Okay. See you guys.